Congratulate His Excellency for the work he's doing in COVID.
On Sunday, residents of Sabaki protested over what they termed as illegal eviction from a 30-acre land where they accused a private developer of attempting to acquire it through dubious means. Now, the alleged landowner, through a city lawyer, refutes the claims.
The court was duly seized of the matter. The Environment and Land Court in Machakos had determined that this property belongs to Mukwano distributors. Whichever land grabbers or fraudsters that have placed themselves on the property wield no title whatsoever, and it is by order of court that Mukwano were directed to take possession of the property. It was in that process that Mukwano discovered that the persons that had painted themselves as the owners were actually not the occupants. They were fraudsters who had sold to innocent owners, innocent purchasers, unfortunately who had not done their due diligence. So upon presentation of the documents and the court orders, they moved out. Those that, they moved out very peacefully. The OCPD and Deputy County Commissioner of Machakos sub-county really assisted us and engaged these people for a period of a year. This is a